Robeco Institutional Asset Management BV cut its position in Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, by 3.9% during the second quarter, according to its most recent Form 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The fund owned 667,664 shares of the company's stock, after selling 27,193 shares during the period. Robeco Institutional Asset Management BV owns 0.08% of Colgate-Palmolive worth $49,492,000 as of its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Several other large investors have also recently modified their holdings of CL. CREF Investment Management LLC boosted its stake in Colgate-Palmolive by 84.2% during the first quarter. CREF Investment Management LLC now owns 4,554,989 shares of the company's stock worth $333,380,000 after buying an additional 2,082,262 shares during the last quarter. Swiss National Bank raised its position in Colgate-Palmolive by 22.2% in the first quarter. Swiss National Bank now owns 3,667,072 shares of the company's stock valued at $268,393,000 after purchasing an additional 666,400 shares during the period. WACE ASIA Ltd raised its position in Colgate-Palmolive by 1,419.1% in the second quarter. WACE ASIA Ltd now owns 518,823 shares of the company's stock valued at $38,393,000 after purchasing an additional 484,670 shares during the period. British Airways Pensions Investment Management Limited purchased a new stake in Colgate-Palmolive in the second quarter valued at $34,347,000. Finally, Pioneer Investment Management Incorporated raised its position in Colgate-Palmolive by 27.8% in the second quarter. Pioneer Investment Management Incorporated now owns 2,061,196 shares of the company's stock valued at $152,796,000 after purchasing an additional 447,949 shares during the period. 73.63% of the stock is currently owned by hedge funds and other institutional investors. Get Colgate-Palmolive Company alerts. Enter your email address. Submit. Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York Stock Exchange CL, opened at $70.15 on Monday. The stock has a market capitalization of $61,599.08, a P/E ratio of 24.44, a PEG ratio of 3.21, and a beta of 0.80. Colgate-Palmolive Company has a one-year low of $63.43 and a one-year high of $77.27. The company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 24.42, a quick ratio of 0.92, and a current ratio of 1.23. Colgate-Palmolive, New York Stock Exchange CL, last issued its earnings results on Friday, October 27. The company reported 73 cents earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, hitting analysts' consensus estimates of 73 cents. The business had revenue of $3.97 billion during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $3.94 billion. Colgate-Palmolive had a return on equity of 2,782.56% and a net margin of 15.10%. The company's revenue for the quarter was up 2.8% on a year-over-year basis. During the same period in the prior year, the business posted 73 cents EPS. Research analysts anticipate that Colgate-Palmolive Company will post 2.88 earnings per share for the current year. The firm also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Wednesday, November 15. Stockholders of record on Monday, October 23, will be paid a dividend of 40 cents per share. This represents a $1.60 dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 2.28%. The ex-dividend date is Friday, October 20th. Colgate-Palmolive's dividend payout ratio, DPR, is 61.78%. In related news, insider Patricia Verjuin sold 3,833 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction that occurred on Tuesday, August 15. The stock was sold at an average price of $71.45 for a total value of $273,867.85. Following the completion of the transaction, the insider now directly owns 53,173 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $3,799,210.85. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is accessible through the SEC website. Also, SVP John J. Huston sold 14,000 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction that occurred on Thursday, August 10. The shares were sold at an average price of $71.36 for a total value of $999,040. Following the completion of the transaction, the senior vice president now directly owns 88,598 shares of the company's stock, valued at $6,322,353.28. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Corporate insiders own 1.02% of the company's stock. Several research firms recently issued reports on CL. Zacks Investment Research upgraded Colgate-Palmolive from a hold rating to a buy rating and set an $80 price objective on the stock in a report on Monday, September 25. Deutsche Bank AG restated a hold rating and set a $75 price target on shares of Colgate-Palmolive in a report on Monday, July 24. Wells Fargo & Company restated a market perform rating on shares of Colgate-Palmolive in a report on Monday, July 24. Bidisk Club downgraded Colgate-Palmolive from a sell rating to a strong sell rating in a report on Wednesday, July 12. Finally, Royal Bank of Canada restated a hold rating and set a $74 price target on shares of Colgate-Palmolive in a report on Sunday, October 8. 2 equities research analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 14 have given a hold rating and 4 have given a buy rating to the stock. Colgate-Palmolive has a consensus rating of hold and an average target price of $76.67. About Colgate-Palmolive. Colgate-Palmolive Company, Colgate, is a consumer products company. The company operates in 2 product segments: oral, personal, and home care, and pet nutrition. The oral, personal, and home care product segment is operated through 5 geographic segments, which include North America, Latin America, Europe, Asia Pacific and Africa Eurasia.